In primetime news this evening, Trump policies affecting travel to Jamaica.
Nearly 40 persons now homeless after a massive fire on Charles Street in downtown Kingston.
And the soca versus dancehall debate reignited as the 2025 staging of Jamaica Carnival comes to a close. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up in today's newscast, we have the business news and Anthony Lugg is here with a preview.
Well, Andrea, Carnival in Jamaica 2025 has come and gone, but guess what? The tourism ministry says it will use entertainment and sporting events to boost the country's stopover arrivals.
Thanks, Log, and Renata Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, is sports carnival or is carnival sports? Maybe a little bit of both. Well, Archie, I can tell you that there's new developments in terms of the case involving InSports, the multi-million-dollar case, and also stakeholders are a bit concerned about the spectatorship for local cricket. We'll tell you all about that and more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Renardo. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, we have a similar pattern last week, this week, for the weather across the island. We do have scattered showers and a few thunderstorms expected in the afternoons from tomorrow going through to about Friday.
And Romain will have the details later on in the weather report and forecast. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what more can be done to improve the appeal of local cricket?
Again, what more can be done to improve the appeal of local cricket? You can share your comments online. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.